Great tasting filtered water with preserved mineral content for healthy and convenient living. With the Espring water treatment system, you'll never need to buy water again in plastic bottles. Here I demonstrate how to test your water with DPD chlorine tablets. As I do this, I'm getting water from my fitted Espring tape and also from the original tap in my kitchen. And these tablets, you can get them from Amazon. They are called DPD. When you get them home, you want to treat your and learn how to find out if your water has got chlorine. These tablets will help you to find out and know that the water that you are taking has chlorine in it. So here, as I take the water from the Espring auxiliary tape and from the normal tape that brings water in my house, here I'm testing the water with the chlorine DPD tablet. I've put one in there and one also in the other glass, as you can see here. I am going to stir this water so you can see what is happening with the water as I stir. Just have a look at how the water is going to change rapidly. And this is a glass of water, and as you can see, this one I've just stirred it, and here it comes, pink, like a glass of wine. So this is the water that we are drinking from the normal tape, and the Espring water is clear. It has not changed its color, it's still very clear. And the other glass, as you can see, has changed. It's now looking like a glass of wine. So that's the water that we are having from the normal taps that we have in our houses. Look at this water. Look at this one. It has changed so much that you would rather think twice before you drink this water. And normally we cook with this water as well. Why not invest in this water filter machine, which is called Espring? It will clear your water 99.99%, in so much that the water that you drink, it's tasty. It's like having a well in your house. Look at this. You can fit it under the counter, or you can fit it on top of the counter. Is this one is mine in the kitchen under the counter, and it will tell you when it is finished.